Namaste. In this video, we are going to discuss about Kaalbhati Pranayama, and one of my most favorite pranayam because this cleanses the entire respiratory system, and this works not only on the Pran Vayu but also on the Vyan Vayu if you perform it correctly. So I have been performing this pranayam for almost 3 or 4 years. And I perform it every day. Since I live in Delhi NCR, the pollution level is really bad, shitty pollution level. Just check out the AQI level and you would know how bad it is. I don't even open the window right now because it's the peak season where the atmosphere is the worst. In polluted environment, if you're staying in polluted environment, this is the best pranayam you need to perform because it completely cleanses the lungs. If you are a regular smoker, and you are worried that your lungs are getting affected, you're not able to run, you're not able to perform the activity, you're not able to climb the stairs, this is the pranayam you need to perform. This is the magical pranayam, and you can use this activity to basically clean your entire body. It will also minimize the inflammation in the body. If someone has sinus issues, again this will really help. Basically, it's a magical pranayam. It's one of my favorite pranayam. So I used to get sick very often, like cold and all, really fed up, mostly because of the atmosphere. The atmosphere is so bad. So I began performing this mostly as a part of dynamic meditation. I began performing this, and like in 1 month or 2, like I stopped going to doctors to get medicine. Okay, this was enough. So if you just perform 10 minutes of this exercise, you will be healthy. This you need to include in your schedule. This you need to include into your schedule at any time. And if you're healthy, you can be confident. That's it. How to perform this particular pranayam? Basically, what you need to do is you can sit down. The effect is more when you're sitting down, or you can do it standing. And what you need to do is basically exhale all the air outwards. Focus on exhaling, don't focus on breathing in. Body will take the breathe in naturally. Right now what's happening is your entire composition is polluted because of the air you breathe, water you drink, whatever. Now you have to release it. Okay, release it outside. You can release it via excretion, via sweating, which is why we need to exercise very often, or you can release it through breathing. Okay, breathe out as much as possible, and make sure you do it in the morning, because in morning you have more oxygen available. You will breathe in naturally, more oxygen in, and release more carbon dioxide outside. If possible, do it under a tree. That's the best place you can do this particular pranayam. No yoga teacher, no teacher will tell you this. Do it under a tree. So exhale as much as possible. Keep doing it for 10 minutes. 10 minutes, keep doing it. You will get, your diaphragm will get exhausted. You will be like, now I need breathe. It's actually what's happening is that you never did right breathing. Okay. You never did right breathing, and now you are training your body to breathe right, and now your diaphragm is weakening. Diaphragm is paining, means you never use your diaphragm to breathe. If you go to my previous video, right breathing, I explained the yogic way of breathing wherein your stomach goes out, and which is what will happen. If you see, if you exhale, your stomach will go outside. So I'm exhaling, my stomach is going inside. I'm inhaling, my stomach is going outside. Okay. This is a beautiful pranayama. If you perform in Padmasana, the benefit will double. If you are a smoker, you must definitely do this. This will prolong your life. But of course, leaving smoking will even prolong your life. You should see what your priorities are. You might know better regarding this particular thing. But I know better that this benefits. This really clears out the lungs of all the toxins, and you must definitely include this into your daily life. This will benefit you tremendously. and this is a great exercise to transition into the further states of meditation. Without pranayam, you cannot transition into meditation. You need asanas, you need pranayam, only then can you transition into meditation. Okay, but I'll explain that all later in a later video. If you have not subscribed to me, subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this in a course, you're doing a great job. I'll see you in the next video.